Welcome back to this channel. Of course, my name is Oga Hans. In this channel, we discuss business, personal finance, and everything that has to do with your overall financial well-being. Before we go ahead, I want to first and most importantly thank every one of you who have made 2025 such an amazing and exceptional year. One of the highest points of 2025 was our ability to have trained over 50 individuals in the UK to set up their own profitable cleaning business. And a lot of them have gone ahead to do very, very amazing things and still growing their businesses. So if it wasn't for you, that wouldn't have been possible, because one of our objective and goal for this channel is to help people, immigrants, especially in the UK and in the diaspora, to have a clear path on how they can set up profitable business for themselves, reduce the amount of hours they spend on their excruciating job that they don't enjoy, and of course, set up family businesses that will help them improve their overall financial well-being and finance of the family. So this channel is helping us achieve that objective, and I want to say a very big thank you to you for making that possible. Before we go ahead, of course, the mentorship for 2026 is presently ongoing. We are targeting to train an extra 50 immigrants in the UK on how to set up their own profitable cleaning business in the UK and start earning 5,000 to 8,000 pounds consistently every month with proven strategy like we have done in our own business. Please do well to click the link in the description and of course join our cleaning business mentorship program that lasts for 1 month. And after 1 month, we now go into a lifetime mentorship where we can always work with you to ensure your business stays profitable, stays afloat, and of course, your finance improves in the UK. That being said, again, welcome back to this channel. We have a few things to discuss. Now, for those who are business owners, not just clean business owners, but business owners in the UK, I have about 5 things I want to share with you as we move into 2026. 2026 is that 1 year that would hold something very vital and important for everyone who takes it very seriously. And one of the mantras for 2026, for me as a business owner, is execution. You need to go very big on execution. So it's pointless having ideas. It's pointless having a plan. What gives you the edge, what separates you from the crowd, is your ability to execute things very fast. Speed is very important. So in 2026, your mantra should be execution. Every idea you have in mind, that plan you have in mind, begin executing it. And one trap a lot of immigrants face is they want it to be perfect. No, it doesn't have to be perfect. Start from where you are and gradually grow into where you want to be. Perfection is the killer of destiny. Start where you are and grow your business consistently to where it ought to be. Here are 5 important things I want to share with every business owner if you want to make 2026 a very phenomenal year for you. Number 1 is visibility. Now, visibility in recent time is currency. If you want to make a lot of difference in your business, in your finances, in your career, in everything you have chosen to do, you need to take your visibility very seriously. Gone are the days where you say, oh, I'm hiding, I don't want people to know what I'm doing, I'm shy. You need to realize that the people who are making the most impact in today's world are the people who have decided to be visible to people. If people don't see what you're doing, they can't deal with you. They can't move with you. They can't buy into what you're selling. Especially as business owners. If people don't know about your business, of course they can't patronize you. The difference between your business that is struggling and the business that is doing so well financially is one important thing: visibility. People know this business exists. Your own business, people don't know you exist. So everything you're going to do in 2026 is to ensure that more people know your business does exist. Number 2, content. Content is becoming a very massive part of every business. We're now in a content creators economy where people are practically paid for their content. Now, away from that, every business you know today creates content around their business. Coca-Cola, Pepsi, big brands. They create content, unique content for their brand. You will do the same. You can do the same. All right. So if you have a brand, a business, ensure you create content from time to time around your brand. Content that educates your audience, content that give some level of information to your customers and prospective customers. Especially if you're in the cleaning business, there's a lot of room for you to create cleaning service content that has to do with your cleaning services. Create a lot of that, and people will know and get more education about what you're doing and they'll turn to full-time customers. Number three, social media. You cannot ignore the role of social media in today's world. If you're going to do so well and be competitive with other businesses, you really, really have to consider integrating social media activities into your business. In fact, with social media, you can then gain visibility. So social media becomes an integral part of every business that will do well in 2026. You may not be very good with social media and all those beautiful things that happen there. You can actually get a social media manager to help you manage the social media front of your business. A lot of brands do it. It's not so expensive. Get somebody that understands the ecosystem of social media, and they can be churning out content for you and putting your brands out there, because everybody now is on social media. And as a business, you need to meet your customers where they are gathering, where they are feasting, where they are dining. Social media is very, very key if you want to do good in your business in 2026. The fourth one is advertisement. Now, people that play on advertisement, and there are several forms of advertisement. There is the non-organic one, there's the organic one. Now, you need to utilize both forms of advertisement to grow your business, to make it what it ought to be. No business that does well today ignores advertising. So, as a small business owner, as a clean business owner, you need to adopt organic advertising and inorganic advertising. Join the both of them to grow your business to where it ought to be. If you want to grow a business that earns 5,000, 8,000, 10,000 pounds consistently every month, you need to adopt inorganic and organic forms of advertisement into your business. The fifth one and the last one is sales and marketing. No business in today's world thrives without sales and marketing. No business. The most important department in any organization is the sales and marketing department, which means that everybody in the business should be a sales person and a marketer of the business. Because if the business does not make sales, the business dies. Because sales brings in profits into the revenue. Revenue sustains the business. So sales and marketing is the engine of every thriving business. So in 2026, please and please, if you want to do well in your business, you need to understand sales and marketing. They look alike, they are similar, but they have little differences. However, they have a lot of similarities. Without marketing, you can't make sales. So when you market well, you make sales, then sales brings in the revenue. So you need to understand marketing, you need to understand sales if you want to grow a profitable business in the UK. Why we're able to grow our business from making £0 to making 8,000 to 10,000 pounds consistently every month is because we had to develop our knowledge on sales and marketing. All right, sales and marketing became our major objective for the business, because everybody has to understand what sales means, what marketing is. Because if you don't market properly, you can't make sales, and of course, no money comes to the business. So sales becomes the life wire of the business, because sales brings in profit. So if you want your business to grow and start earning very fantastic revenues every month, you need to understand sales and marketing with your team. Again, like I used to say, do not think you have to know all these things. Get people to help you, achieve these vital parts of your business. You, as a business owner, you can execute and delegate. You can delegate these things to people. You don't have to do everything. You are only there to plan, to put structures on ground for your business. For every of those little activities, you can delegate them. But sales and marketing remains the bloodline of every business that survives. I want to leave you with this final thing. I see a lot of people struggle with as individuals. I had a session with some people and I spoke to them about this important thing. You need to learn how to invest in your business. Everybody wants a very fantastic business. Oh, Mr. Hans, how were you able to grow your business to earn this much? It took a lot of investing of time and resources. And when I mean resources, I mean financial resources. You need to understand that if you want anything to grow, just like your child, your business is your child. So just like your own physical child, you have to nurture them, feed them, give them nutrients for them to grow. When they grow, they become the pride of the family. That is what your business is your child. Nurture it, invest your time in it, invest resources in it, and grow the business. Once you make money in the business, do not consume them. Do not take them to do something different. Reinvest that money into the business and grow the business. Every business grows when there is continuous investment in the business. Your cleaning business will grow But you have to realize you have to put in time, you have to put in resources, investing, getting knowledge, getting material, understanding what the cleaning business is all about, paying people to teach you what you do not know about how to do. That is how your business will grow. The money you make is for you to use that as a leverage to grow your business and invest into your business. That being said, I hope these 5 points were clear enough. Again, my name is Oga Hans. If you want extra support, you're trying to get things clear with your business, regardless of whatever business you do, I'm always available. My number is there. Send me a message. We have a one-on-one consultation session. You can call in and we speak about your business. Finally, our 1 month active cleaning mentorship program is ongoing. It's not free, but it is highly valuable for those who have been there. We've had a lot of testimonies on how it has helped them get clarity on how to grow their business. If you're interested to join our 1 month cleaning business mentorship program, please, the link will be in the description. Click on that link, register, book a call with us, and let's get on this wealth building journey together. Once again, I want to thank you for staying here to listen to me. Let's make 2026 a very awesome and phenomenal year. That being said, thank you very much. If you watched the video to this point, I know you are interested to build your business and grow. We have other videos where we talk about how to grow our business somewhere around here. Click on that video and watch how we were able to grow our business from £0 to £8,000 consistently every month. I'll see you again.